If your thermostat won't turn off your HVAC system, that's a straight-up annoying problem you want fixed as soon as possible. So, first off, check your thermostat settings because sometimes it's just stuck on the wrong mode or temperature. Like, if it's set to heat but the house is already warm, your system might keep running. Next, try resetting the thermostat by turning it off for a minute and then back on. That can clear glitches. If that doesn't do it, the thermostat itself might be shot and need replacing, especially if it's old or showing weird behavior. Also, don't forget to check the relay or control board inside your HVAC unit, because those parts tell the system when to start and stop. If those are faulty, they could be causing the system to run non-stop. Cleaning or replacing a stuck relay can fix this, but it might require a pro if you're not comfy with electrical stuff. Another tip is to make sure your thermostat is properly wired. Loose connections can cause it to miscommunicate with your HVAC. Finally, sometimes simple maintenance like changing air filters or cleaning vents helps because when airflow is blocked, the system works overtime trying to hit the right temp. One of the biggest mistakes people make with their thermostat not turning off the HVAC system is ignoring weird behavior and hoping it goes away. This usually makes things worse and can jack up your energy bill. Another common issue is not checking or replacing batteries in a wireless thermostat, which can cause it to send wrong signals. Lastly, a lot of folks forget to get their HVAC system serviced regularly, so dirt and grime build up on parts like the relay or control board, making them fail early. The fix here is simple. Pay attention to your system's signs, swap out batteries when needed, and schedule routine maintenance with a trusted technician. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who know how to handle HVAC issues like thermostat problems without breaking the bank. At the same time, it gives contractors a platform to find real clients and grow their business by showing their skills and reviews.